Hello guys. Welcome to Wow Hotel Reviews. Today I am reviewing Rodeway Inn Bellflower. It's a 2-star hotel. Please use our booking.com link in description to book the hotel and get good pricing. Knott's Berry Farm is 20 minutes drive from Rodeway Inn Bellflower. Free Wi-Fi is provided in each guest room and laundry facilities are available for guest convenience. A flat-screen satellite TV is included in all guest rooms. Air conditioning and blackout drapes are provided for maximum comfort. A microwave and small fridge are offered. Long Beach Airport is 15 minutes drive from the Rodeway Inn Bellflower. Cerritos Performing Arts Center is also 15 minutes drive away. Use our link in description to get special discount on this hotel. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel.